Shirley, sasama kami. Kasi... Kasi yan. Bakit nawawala dito ng music?
Hindi, wala internet.
Ah, sa ano lang, Skype.
Sa Facebook, mamaya tatawag tayo. The car is there?
No,
My husband
that's
used the
why
car.
we make you to come and assist us
Yeah.
with the details about the color, the number plate, and other details.
043.
Okay.
The plate number is E7523 is 72533.
And
The red one, I will show it to you.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay, now we have to follow the okay.
What is it? Oh my God! Really? Ano to? Ano to? Ay! Oh!
Okay. Si Shen, nagkakilala kami actually sa loob ng bus. May lakad ng tropa. So, nagkakulitan. Nagkataong makulit yung mga kasama ko. Ako tahimik lang eh. So, kinilala ng mga kasama ko. Yung mga friend ko. Yan. So, nagkakasama sa gimmick. Kasama din ako. So, doon na-develop yung friendship namin. So, nag-start kami sa friendship.
Every night, every day, you're the one I always dream of. Every line of your face is sketched so plain inside.
Naging mag-best friend kami. Through my best friend din.
You've
Naging best friend kami. Hanggang naging kami.
deep inside of me, you're everything I feel and see, and you're the one I love. All my life, all my life.
Ito to, actually, pag nakakita ko, sa mga malapit ako na maligin. So, yung maligin na katawa ng gano'n. Naalala ko si She. Yung mga katrabaho ko, nakawag sa kanya. Hindi si Barbie. Sabi si Barbie. So, ayun, si Shirley. Ako bakit Barbie? Kasi tignan mo yung hair niya. Dati kasi yung hair niya, parang Barbie.
Has overtaken me with feelings, you awaken me, and you're the one I love.
Actually, ang gusto ko kay Chef, talagang may napakasipag na talaga. Masipag sa lahat. Wala akong masasabi. Ano to? Actually, wala namang perfecto talaga tao. Walang perfecto tao. Pero sa kanya is, she's almost perfect.
Is that you're mine for a lifetime? If our friends all around
Bilang asawa at bilang
find it hard
mother ng mga kids namin,
understand
talagang sobra-sobrang pag-aaral.
you and
Tagal mo.
I understand the other one so very well, and that's what I've been looking for. So I keep coming back for more, 'cause you're
Masaya ako pagkasama ko si She. Kasi parang tumitigil ang mundo at wala, puro tawa lang ang inaatupag namin. Tapos, masaya. Napakasaya. At,
You're the one. You're the one I love.
isa pa nga pala, tanggalin mo na rin sa isip mo yung mga doubt mo tungkol sa akin. Kasi wala namang patro sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal ko. Sukdulan, puspusan, at walang katapusan.
My love, there's only you in my life, the only thing that's right. My first love, your every...
Maraming salamat, mahal, sa pag-aalaga sa mga bata. At ganun din sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita. At tandaan mo lagi na hindi magbabago. Hindi magbabago pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Siyempre, gusto ko kasama ka sa pagtanda.
my love with you. No one else will do. And your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh yes, you will always be my endless love.
Wish ko ngayong taon sana matuloy na yung pangarap natin, yung wish natin sa isa't isa na humarap tayo sa altar.
Two hearts
Na hindi lang tayo may pangarap, pati mga magulang natin. At alam kong supportan nila tayo. Dahil yun din ang aim nila.
I'll hold you close in my arms. I can't resist your charms. Oh Lord, I'll be a fool for you.
Mahal! Happy birthday and Happy New Year! At sana magustuhan mo tong surprise namin sa'yo.
When our lives don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. Baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 20.
kita.
Well, eto na. Hindi na ako humarap sa altar. Kasama ka. Yun, hindi ko papayag ka.
Naman
Oh?
Yes. Boga! Ay, yung ano ko.
When my head's all the
Pogi.
Dating sa Biggie Maria.
and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play
Ay, tumaw na. Hayaan mo na tayo. Tijing. Habi na na.
I know you will still love me the same. So we could never grow.
Congratulations.
Yay! Happy New Year! Hindi dyan!
New Year, mami. Pare, congrats.
Pare Koy, thank you pare!
Pare.
Yan!
Ikaw na. May proposal na ganito.
Baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. So baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud that maybe we found love right where we are. Or maybe we found love right where we are. And we found love right where